If your home is equipped with a Garburator, there's a few things to keep in mind. Now, Garburators are really handy for getting rid of little scraps of things, usually at the end of the meal or whatever, usually small amounts. Now, if you're going to run a Garburator, you want to make sure that you run lots of water before you're running it, when you're putting the food in and operating it, and then leave it after you've turned off the Garburator. Leave it for at least 30 seconds or a minute. You want to flush as much of that waste or chewed up bits out of the system all the way through. You never want it to get plugged up. Now, there's a few things that you should never put in a Garburator. Rice, potato peels, eggshells, or ice cream. Those things can plug up your Garburator and cause it to not work. And if that happens, it's a real big mess. So you want to try and avoid all of those things if you can. Now, you also want to avoid as much oil or grease as you can. You don't want to plug that plumbing system. That's not just for Garburators, but for any drain in the house. Grease and oil is not a good idea. Another way to help your Garburator or help you maintain it is to flush it regularly. So it's a good idea about once a month, fill your sink up about halfway with cold water, and then pull the plug and turn the Garburator on at the same time. That's going to flush a lot of those bits that might get stuck in the pipes, going to flush that out of the system, hopefully ensuring you don't get any kind of a blockage or something backing up. Now, Garburators, because they just spin around and chew up the food, they can sometimes start to smell bad. A way to kind of fix that is to throw some ice cubes in there with water and let that kind of bounce around and dislodge any of those food bits. And then lemon peels, lime peels, orange peels, something like that. Throw that in and let it chew it all up. That will kind of sanitize the inside. So Garburators are very handy for a lot of things, but they're not designed for large volumes of anything. That's why we have compost pickup here in the city of Calgary, city of Airdrie. So use that for big stuff, but for little bits, a Garburator works really good.